Do you know what the 5 healthiest vegetables you should be eating are? Today we'll delve into the world of nutrition and explore these power-packed plants. First on our list is spinach. This leafy green is a veritable treasure chest of iron and vitamins. Just a handful of spinach in your salad or smoothie can significantly boost your health. Iron for energy, vitamin A for your eyes, and vitamin K for bone health. Spinach is a versatile veggie that brings a lot to the table. Next up we have broccoli. Often dubbed a nutrient powerhouse, this cruciferous vegetable is brimming with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. Whether you prefer it steamed, roasted, or raw, broccoli is a fantastic way to fortify your meals. It's not just about the vitamins A and C, it's also the fiber for digestion and antioxidants for combating free radicals. Third on our list is the humble carrot. These vibrant orange veggies are not just tasty, they're also excellent for vision and skin health. Packed with beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A, carrots are a vision-friendly vegetable. Plus, the antioxidants in carrots contribute to skin health and anti-aging. Rolling into the 4th spot are bell peppers. These colorful vegetables are a feast for the eyes and the body. Loaded with antioxidants and vitamin C, bell peppers can help boost your immune system, improve eye health, and even ward off certain chronic diseases. And here's a fun fact: red bell peppers have the highest amount of vitamin C among the color variants. To round out our list, we have kale. This leafy green has been hailed as a superfood, and for good reason. It's rich in nutrients like vitamins A, K, and C, along with numerous antioxidants. Incorporating kale into your diet can aid in digestion, improve heart health, and provide a significant dose of iron. In conclusion, these 5 vegetables, spinach, broccoli, carrots, bell peppers, and kale, are powerhouses of nutrition. They're versatile, delicious, and can be incorporated into a wide variety of dishes. So, why not include them in your meals and reap the rewards of their health benefits?